Even though they look white to the
What
eye,
color are they?
they're gray. It's the skin color underneath. You have to look, and that's the official color.
That's the official color, so it looks white.
It looks white.
It's kind of like a polar bear, right? And the skin, like, really
I don't know.
actually
Maybe I'll have
dark
to check.
underneath.
I like how
think.
Dan's just thinking about the hair when everyone else is looking at the
Yeah,
big
the horn.
horn.
I know.
Once I saw it was plastic, I was like, eh.
You're like over it
On
already.
to other things.
Not the kids.
Oh.
Man, how about this weather? You ever yet?
I know,
Yeah,
it's a
we
bummer.
got so spoiled this week, so hopefully you got out to enjoy it because, yeah, it's changed and it's going to stay this way for the night. I think Saturday is actually looking to shape up to be a pretty decent day, though, so go ahead and plan on getting outside then if you want. It's going to be better looking than Sunday. I'll show you that in just a second, but here's what's happening out there. You can see this time lapse. We started off, it looks so promising to begin with. We had blue sky, we had those thin clouds rolling through, and then gradually they just thickened and thickened, and now here we are with the rain, and the rain is going to stay steady for most of the evening. I look from our Riverview Community Bank camera here, 53 degrees in Vancouver there, and you can see it's very wet. Back towards the coast, Astoria catching a little bit of a break right now, still very gray, and if you look off in the distance you can see some of these clouds. They're starting to build up a little bit, and that's where we have showers that are developing off the coast, and some of those could potentially bring in some of the heavier rain as we head through this evening, and especially later on tonight. We'll have to watch out for brief showers that could be a little more intense than what we're seeing right now. So looking at the radar, not many of us getting a break from the rain at this point. It continues to develop from the south too. Heaviest stuff back down towards, again, Silverton, Woodburn pushing into Molalla, Staten down that way, Dallas, and just about to push into Salem. You have light rain right now, but it's about to pick up a little bit more in intensity as we continue to see these rain showers developing from south to north. So there's a disturbance off the coast. It's bringing in this front, a fairly mild front at this point. Temperatures will drop a little bit behind it, but Sunday will be the day that you'll notice more of the chill as we start to see some colder air pushing on in. Out there right now, definitely a far cry from where we were yesterday when we topped out in the mid-60s. We're in the low to mid-50s all up and down I-5. Government Camp at 43, so showers hitting the Cascades right now, unfortunately coming down as rain, but we will see a gradual shift over to more snow as we head towards tomorrow morning. In fact, snow levels should get down to between 4,000 and 5,000 feet by tomorrow morning. The only problem is we're going to see a lot of that moisture moving out by the time that happens. Your forecast for this evening, though, for those Friday evening plans, rain, rain, rain. We're going to be looking at temperatures in the low to mid-50s through 7 p.m. and then staying fairly steady in the low 50s as we head through 11 o'clock. So temperatures fairly mild. Overnight lows tonight down into the middle and upper 40s. We'll dip down to 37 in Bend, and then for the coast down into the mid-40s. Here's how your Saturday pans out. So Saturday we start off with these shower chances, but then we have a mainly dry day ahead. So 7 a.m., a few lingering showers around, skies mostly cloudy. As we head towards the lunch hour, we may even get some breaks in those clouds, get some sunshine going, and then we stay fairly dry for most of the day, just on the cloudy side, but that's it. Then we go into Sunday. Next front arrives first thing Sunday morning. That's going to push into the Cascades. It'll start off as a rain-snow mix for places like Timberline and Meadows, and then we'll start to see it change over to mainly just snow as snow levels drop through the day. Here we are at noon, more showers rolling through, so it'll be wet at times. We'll have periods of wet weather for Sunday, and again cooler. We'll continue with shower chances as we wrap up Sunday afternoon, and we'll really start to get that snow going as we head towards Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening for the ski resorts, and eventually all the way down to ski walls. Snow levels should drop all the way down to the passes by Sunday night. Your forecast for Saturday then, upper 50s for I-5, a few showers early on, then mainly dry after that. A mainly dry day east of the Cascades by Sunday, wet, breezy. We may even see a few thunderstorms trying to pop up along coastal areas, and highs go back to the low 50s. Here's your 7-day forecast. So temperatures will be mild for one more day, then they drop by Sunday. By Monday, we're looking at just a slight chance for rain, mid-50s. Looks pretty wet Tuesday. Wednesday looks fairly dry. Thursday looks really wet again, and then watching for shower chances by Friday. So on again, off again rain showers as we head through really the next week. So not going to be looking for those sunny days of 64 degrees anytime soon.
And next week for a lot of high schoolers, softball and baseball season starts. So a lot of practices.
They'll do it in
indoors.
typical fashion, I guess.
Yes,
this year.
that's a good way to put it.